Let us see how to remove the green screen from the video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So it's very simple to do. What you have to do is you have to use this color key effect under keying folder. So go to the effects panel and then in the video effects keying, select color key and then just drag and drop it on the clip. Once it is added, what you have to do is go to the effect controls panel and there you will find this color key effect. And by default it is saying that it is going to remove the blue color, but we want to remove this green color. So for that what you have to do is you have to click on this link and then click on this particular color. As you can see that green color is removed, and this is showing the sky because just under this particular layer we have got this image, okay, and that's why it is showing that image instead of the transparent thing. But you can see that there is still some green color remaining around this person. So how you can remove that as well? So that can be possible using the color tolerance setting. So you can just increase it a little bit. So now you can see that particular green color around the subject is removed as well. That's it. That's how you can use this color key effect in Adobe Premiere Pro to remove any color, basically not just the green color. You can remove any other color as well. Thanks for watching.